Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deshik. Dear student, today our lesson number 20 and HW number 19 and topic is exercise 10.1 question number 6. Okay dear student, now today at first I will a basic discussion with you, then I will prove the theorem. Suppose you have to know what is the chord. What is the chord? Any line joining any 2 points of a circle is called the chord. Suppose you see AB is the chord because this is joining any 2 points of a circle. Okay, again you see in the figure CD is the chord of the circle CHD or CDH, and AB is the chord for the circle ABF. Okay, another concept you have to know. Suppose what is bisect? What is bisect? Suppose I have taken here 4 centimeter line segment. Okay, so if I tell you to bisect this line segment, okay, then you divide this line segment in such a way that this line segment divide equally by 2 parts. That means if you draw a perpendicular here and you want to bisect here, then this line segment divides equally by 2 parts. Okay, that means this is the 2 centimeter and this is the 2 centimeter. Okay, this is called bisect. If you draw bisect for any line segment, then this line segment divides equally by 2 parts. Okay, you remember it because I use this law in this theorem. Okay, now start the read. At first we read the questions. Look, a chord AB of one of the 2 concentric circles intersect the other at C and D. Prove that AC equal to BD. Okay, we have to prove that AC equal to BD. Look, you see in the figure, you see O is the center of the circle ABF. Okay, similarly O is the center for the circle CDH. Okay, now we have to prove that AC equal to BD. What I told with you, now we have to write. Okay, let's start. Look, let O is the center. O is the center of the 2 circles. Look, O is the center of the 2 circles. You see the circles ABF and CDH. Okay, so I want to write here, let O is the center of the 2 circles ABF and CDH. Okay, O is the center of the 2 circles ABF and CDH. Also given, we write here, also given that you see a chord AB of one of the 2 concentric circles intersect the other at C and D. Okay, we have to prove that AC equal to, you see, we have to prove that AC equal to BD. Okay, now right, we have to prove that AC equal to BD. For prove this, we need some construction. Okay, now we have to write some construction. Look, you see in the figure. Now we draw a perpendicular OE. We draw a perpendicular OE. Okay, we draw a perpendicular OE on AB chord. Okay. Now write the description. Okay, right? Construction. We draw a perpendicular. OE on AB chord. On the chord AB. Okay, we draw a perpendicular OE on the AB chord. Okay, now write proof. Look, you see in the figure, OE is the perpendicular, right? OE is perpendicular on AB. As OE perpendicular on AB, therefore we can say AE equal to BE. Okay. Now, why AE equal to BE? Okay, write here the law. The perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Okay, the perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Okay, you see the figure. OE is the perpendicular on AB chord. So AE equal to BE. How can you see? We have got the perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. This is the law, or you can say this is the formula. Using this formula, we can say from the figure that AE equal to BE. Okay. Now you see the figure properly. You again see the figure. Look, AE. You see the figure. AE equal to what? You see AE. Okay, up to this. AE means what? AC plus CE. Okay, again you see BE. BE means what? BD plus ED or DE. Okay, now write here. Now write here AE equal to what? Or write here A equal to AC plus CE. Okay, AE, that means AC plus CE. Similarly, BE means BD plus DE. Okay, you write here, this is the equation number 1. Now again you see the figure. Look, you see OE is the perpendicular on CD. Are you sure? You see, for the circle CDH, OE is the perpendicular on CD. Okay, please look carefully. OE is the perpendicular on CD. Okay, now right here again OE perpendicular on CD. Okay, as OE perpendicular on CD, therefore we write, what we write? We write CE equal to DE. Okay, dear student, now you see the figure. You see, as OE is the perpendicular, okay, and CD is the chord, so we can say CE equal to DE. Okay, now you see here the CE equal to DE. Okay, now write, this is the equation number 2. Okay, dear student, now you have to subtracting these two equation from the equation 1. Okay, now you have to write the language. Now write, now subtracting equation 2, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Okay, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get, what do you get? Okay, now you subtract. Look, AC plus CE. Look, this is the left side. Similarly, this is the left side. BD plus D, this is the right side. Similarly, DE, this is the right side. Okay, so you subtract left side to left side and subtract right side to right side. Okay, AC plus CE, AC plus CE minus what? Minus CE. Again, look, BD right here plus DE. Okay, then you subtract DE. Okay, now you see CE and CE same, so they are reduced. DE and DE are same, so they are the reduced. You can cancel like this way, similarly this way. Then we get AC equal to BD. Okay, then we get AC equal to BD. Now right here, proved. Dear student, you see here, you see the figure. We have to prove that AC equal to BD. Okay, now using the figure I have proved here, you see the last AC equal to BD. Okay, this is our the required result. Dear student, now I want to talk with you about our HW topic. Okay, look, you see our SW number 19. SW number 19, exercise 10.1, question nong 6, page nong 162. Okay? Okay, dear student, your assigned SW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get your city marks, diary marks and SBA marks. You have to submit all of your SW copies on every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM, and you collect these SW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these SW copies. Dear student, you practice more and make more. Okay, and remember that practice makes a man perfect. Okay, dear student, no more today. You abide by your parents and stay safe, stay well. See you again.